Welcome back to the channel where we beat on cars so you don't have to. I'm the guy who's been elbow deep in Bavarian grease since dial-up was fast. And tonight we're settling the ultimate barstool argument. Porsche, BMW, or Mercedes who builds the luxury tank that actually survives the long haul in 2025. No spec sheet snooze fest, just real miles, real scars, and a twist that'll have you yelling at your phone. Picture this, 3 a.m. On the Autobahn, no speed limit, rain hammering the windshield like a machine gun. My buddy Klaus, the one with the mullet, calls me from a ditch outside Munich. His 2018 last toast. Transmission gave up at 148,000, crying expensive metal tears. Meanwhile, my ratty old Cayenne's still hauling kayaks and kids like it's immortal. Coincidence? Hell no. J.D. Power just dropped their 2025 dependability rankings, and the numbers are straight fire. Let's start with the elephant in the room, BMW. Back in the E39 days, an M5 was a license to print joy. But fast forward to the G-Series era. Plastic coolant pipes that snap like twigs. Carbon buildup choking the N55 like a bad cigar, and iDrive screens that ghost you mid. I've got a 2020 X5 M50i in the shop right now, one for 5k miles. Looks mint, runs like it's allergic to boost. J.D. Power pegs BMW's long-term reliability at 178 problems per 100 vehicles after 5 years. That's not a car, that's a subscription to heartbreak. Now flip the coin, Mercedes. The W213 E-Class was supposed to be the king of waft, velvet ride, quilted seats, smells like a billionaire's wallet. But dig into the ONA forums and it's a horror show. Rust bubbling under the chrome. Air suspension that sags like my uncle after Thanksgiving. And the MBUX system that reboots more than Windows 95. One guy in Jersey told me his 2019 GLE 2 turbos before the warranty expired. J.D. Power says Ceratos and Umpulilima Pepa Sato Nol better than BMW. Sure, but still a ticking time bomb wrapped in alcohol. And then, there's Porsche. The brand your accountant warns you about. But here's where the plot thickens. I've been daily driving a 2017 Cayenne S since Trump's first tweet, 152k miles. 0 unscheduled trips to the lift. Oil changes, brakes, one set of coils, that's it. The PDK shifts like it's telepathic, the air suspension still floats over potholes, and the 3.6 V6 sounds like God clearing his throat. J.D. Power. 121 problems per 100. That's Lexus territory, except it'll outrun a 911 on a dirt road. But wait, there's a catch. The data shows Porsche's secret sauce ain't fairy dust. It's over-engineering the stuff that breaks. Thicker control arm bushings, sealed electronics, and get this, engine blocks still cast in Germany, not some cost-cut factory in Alabama. BMW and Merc chased screen size and subscription features. Porsche chased, will this survive my idiot nephew borrowing it for prom? I took all three on the same 2,000-mile torture loop last month, Blue Ridge Parkway, Jersey Turnpike, and a sneaky off-road detour because why not? Here's the gut punch. J.D. Power's hidden gem isn't even a six-figure SUV. It's the Macon base model. 2.0 turbo 4-banger cloth seats. If you spec it cheap, 2025, data shows it beating the entire luxury segment at 108 pp100. That's a $65,000 crossover outlasting $150,000 flagships. Porsche took the Cayenne's DNA, shrink-wrapped it, and accidentally built the Toyota Camry of. So where's that leave us? If you want a rolling status symbol that'll die the moment the warranty blinks, grab the Beimer, or Ben's Instagram will love you for 3 years. But if you're the sicko who measures life in road trips, not lease terms, Porsche's the only one still standing when the odometer rolls past 150,000 without a sob story. Drop your war tales, Belowich. German rockets still alive in your garage? Smash that like if you're a Team Cayenne, sub if you bleed Porsche oil, and ring the bell because next week we're dragging a 200,000-mile Panamera against a Tesla Plaid. Same bat time, same bat channel. Now go make some noise, life's too short for unreliable horsepower.